มันkyntiew kayo kakon nongthaiñ jaiñ ribhoi bat khamtam nong panmi jaiñ ryndia ko office u deputy commissioner ko ribhoi district hakan rib tarik urumphang arjarpsan kalaya soi da ka soskular bala tip kum ka memorandum of understanding MoU but ka Indian Oil Corporation Limited IOCL ban bentrikam ya ka way na ka project ban jaiñ ram kerpang yaki nongthaiñ jaiñ erisil farmer ka ribhoi district ya kani ka MoU la ya soi hapreng ka jingdon lang u deputy commissioner ka ribhoi u Abhilash Baranwal but ringkat ka jingdon lang kinong mi khamat na ka IOCL lemban ki he officer ka ribhoi district habakran shikilar pathai khubor u additional deputy commissioner ka ribhoi u Raja Brahma uloong baka jingthmu balaya soi ya katei ka soskular MoU hapreng ka nongsynshar district ka ribhoi bat ka Indian Oil Corporation Limited kalong ban pentrekam shibentai ka project ka IOCL CSR na ka benta ban kyntiew kayo kakot nongthaiñ jaiñ ribhoi bat khamtam ka ribhoi ka dei kabla banana bha ha ka ba penmi yaki jaiñ ryndia ulay thu ru Lyngba kani ka project kinsa sam hadu arspa sanpusau tali ki solar power eri spinning unit but banbo hadu laipo tali ki center bala jen na ki laipo tali ki shnang na ribhoi district ki bala judan benta hakini ki kam thanjan ulay thu ru Lyngba kani ka project lamang hadu riew pu arlak kendai prahajar tingka sha kite ki laipo tali ki center naga benta ban kyntiew ki kam ban penmi ya sop khnyang ryndia ya kiba khnyang ryndia khnang ba Lyngba ka sop khnyang kin sathir sai bat ban dia tang hapo ka district ha ka drawer ka babyang bat kani kan yarap shibon bandangla ban penmi boni ki jaiñ ryndia bat khamtam ban penyo ya ka yo ka babyang ban kyntiew ya ka yo ka kon jong ki nongri khnyang ryndia.
Lastly, I want to add the total cost of project is around 62 lakhs 98,000. Well, we come to around figure like 63 lakhs, and 254 machines will be proven, and it will be solar. It is a solar spinning wheel, and it will be distributed to the self-help group members, those who are engaged in this activity, to 250 and 32, comprising of 30 villages. So we have taken from right from Bharumbong, then we have got from Umsting block, we have got from Umling block and Jirang block. So we have include from all the blocks, and we have seen that the best, the self group, and where the feasibility is there, we have done the ground report, and we see that the development comes and the project is a successful one. On the 6th February, the RDA Riew district signed an agreement with Indian Oil Corporation Limited on the CSR. And, the subject matter was regarding that enhancement of our sericulture farmer who are engaged in different type of trade, like you can say the rearing of seri, then you can say that kykun and weaving and all. So usually we find in the field level that most of the sericulture farmer engaged, they do go for selling direct to the kykun, the raw form, and there are less farmers that do go for the to go to production of yarn. So in this process, we found that there is a lack of go for the mechanized system, like where we can engage more maximum number of farmers to go and produce yarn and the fiber actually from the kykun, so that this it becomes raw material for the weavers to weave. So it has become like, if there's a lot of raw material available in the village actually, so they will opportunity for the employment. They can weave the maximum number so that they produce more. That is another way that is totally an action taken by our department, like from the DRD, under the chairmanship of our respected Avilas sir, our DC. That spinning wheel, just like providing a gap gap funding to them through CSR, uh, it will not only bring sudden change into the productivity of the output, but it gives an saving, like it become more efficient, and it will encourage more farmers to come and take this activity. By doing this, it will not only focus to the others, because we have selected only 30 villages as per the fund available. We are looking for more to expand our area, but this is taken as a pilot project. Here we will be employing uh, in each facility centers one of the technician. It will be trained by the companies under the CSR and funded from the on convention with MSRLS. So it will not only tap the growth, and you'll see the the outcome, and will also it will identify the loophole where necessary action to be taken. The overall objective here is to see that the ultimate income of these farmers is to enhance. You have to grow, and through this intervention, such intervention, we hope that will bring a sudden change in this world. And our objective is not only to to give to the some of the farmers, but to make our Riew district one of the highest producer of dairy products. This is our target, and here, right from the what from the raw material production and the market, these three things will be taken care of under this project. And that's you can say the new beginning, a new chapter in the Riew district in the dairy sector. There are a lot of things that we have to take care of. There are a lot of challenges, but we want to go step by step, and we are very we're thankful to our chairman DRD and deputy commissioner Sri Avilas Banwal, who has taken his keen interest to bring a change and to make this happening district in the Riew district. Yeah, thank you.